Here's how much you need to make in order to comfortably afford a Nissan GTR. You guys know I follow the 24-10 rule, which means 20% down, a 4-year loan, and only 10% of your monthly income goes towards automotive related expenses. I know a lot of you guys don't like this rule since it is pretty conservative, but it's what financial experts recommend. So looking at the Nissan's website, the MSRP is $113,540. I made the Excel sheet a little fancier now, so it automatically calculates the monthly payment based on a 4% interest rate for 48 months with 20% down. According to this insurance website, average insurance rates for Nissan GTR is $158 a month. So we'll pop that in right there. I would go on California's DMV website to get the registration cost, which is $1,047, which is $87 a month. I'm putting $250 towards gas. In terms of maintenance, Edmunds did a pretty good 5-year breakdown, so I'll average out the numbers over the course of 5 years, which comes out to $220 per month. So that totals out to $2,700. If that's only 10% of your monthly expenses, you're supposed to be making $27,000 a month or $331,000 a year. If you go from 10% to 20% of your expenses to being car related, you'd be making $165,000.